The CMC 97-1626 is a DC servo drive, which is out of a Bridgeport system. We rebuilt this motor control after it was determined in the field it was holding down the entire Easy Track system, which we had previously repaired. In the course of working on the machines, it is very common for one problem to reveal another problem. We have no way of absolutely determining which fault came first, but we are always successful in being able to fully restore our customers' equipment to operation. As shown in the video, we fully test this motor control on one of our motors before we ultimately install the motor control back in the full system.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.